starting a new YouTube channel or a small business company, the first thing you need is logo. And let's say you don't want to spend any money for logo. Well, you come to the right place. Today we are going to teach you how to make logo online for free. This is FocusUs, so let's get started. So for this you just need to go to browser, of course. I'm using Google Chrome here, and head over to this site called canva.com. Once you are here, you need to sign up. I already have signed up, so I'm just going to log in. So once you are logged into the Canva account, then you just need to go to find templates and click it. Then you can pretty much make all of these using templates in canva.com. And just a quick reminder guys, this video is not any sponsor or something like that, because small channel like us, we just don't have any sponsors. So this actually is a great website, and I have been using it for almost a year now, and we are interested in logos, so we are just going to scroll down and look for logos. So here is logos, and just click it. So these are all the template we can use, and it is pretty much free. So I'm just going to find one cool logo to play with. This logo right here looks cool to me, so I'm just going to click it. So once you click it, now you can pretty much use it because it is free. So I'm just going to click and use this template. So here is our edit page. Now we can pretty much edit it. So to edit its name, just click here. I'm going to give its name FocusUs, and let's rename this with Happy Learning. It goes down there, so I just don't want that, so I'm just going to stretch it and make sure it is in the center with proper spacing. So this looks okay for me, and I'm just going to change this a bit. Now let's copy this by pressing Ctrl+C in your keyboard and paste it by Ctrl+V. Now I have this double here, and let's say I just want to put it right there so it looks cool for me. You can pretty much select other templates too by scrolling down here. Most of them are all free, however some are paid, but we just don't want that paid one. So now to download this logo, we are going to go and click here in download. Make sure it is PNG and download it. Once you have clicked it, just wait and it will be downloaded. Here in my downloads folder, here is our logo, and this is our logo here, and it looks cool. So this is the quick tutorial on how to make logo online for free. So in this way you can create a logo absolutely for free and use it in your YouTube channel or a company. Was the video helpful or not? Just comment down below. And this is pretty much it for today guys. So stay safe, stay healthy, happy learning, and until the next video, goodbye everybody.